We have a very strong relationship because I think when you have drawn a building from the early stage, it's kind of your little baby. I think I've always been very interested in architecture and how it has an impact on people. It's a very slow process with architecture. It takes a while from A to B, but when you're here, it kind of sums up why.
Location is motivation, and I think working in an environment like this where it's enough light, enough space, it's a building that was built to teach. I'm sure this space now that is beautiful and is spiritual and architectural, that would definitely have an impact on who we are and how we act. They don't have agendas. They change the rules all the time. They don't like the rules, so they will go over them. So they play for the sake of playing.
The way people approach work today, they want to feel at home. It's also part of their life. It's part of your identity. So you want your office or your workplace or whatever actually to reflect who you are. I have a feeling that we're just the custodians of the toy shop. As a designer, you're basically just supplying the toys, but the end consumers are the ones who actually have to play with your toys. We just see, the Danish small country with a lot of design, so are they especially good at it? No, I don't think so. We just live it more.